was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down.
I am very hopeful that we will have our first peony flower. I've had this plant for about 3 years, and every year it either gets weed whacked down or, you know, accidentally whacked with a ball or something. It's still a younger plant and it doesn't get enough sun, unfortunately. So if I get one this year, I will be super, super stoked. I know it's not focusing, but it keeps growing and it's a first.
Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud.
Hey guys, what is up and welcome back. I feel like it's been a little while since I've picked up the vlog camera and vlogged a little bit. I just popped in to Target super quickly to return, unfortunately, both pairs of sandals that I got for Sydney in my latest summer haul for her. They're too big, and even if I went down a size, I think they would still be too big because of the way the straps were. They're just so wide. Her foot is like flopping out of them. Anyway, so I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm doing as far as summer sandals for Sydney. Need to get some gas, and it is the most gorgeous day. And then oh my word, I'm ready for a maintaining good weather. Like, I can't wait until July, I guess, because yeah, we get teased with 80 degree, 70 degree weather, and then all next week is going to be rainy and 60. So I'm just ready for steady, warm, hot weather. But I know it's coming soon. Only a couple more weeks of school left for Sydney, which is wild, but it means that our schedule is so incredibly full. I need to roll down my windows here, hang on. So we have field day, barbecue day, early release day, graduation party for a family member of mine, weddings, birthdays, babies being born. So many things coming in the next 2 weeks. And so I am going to try my best to stick to the Tuesday, Thursday upload schedule, but as you can tell, that might not always happen. I have pre-filmed some reels for Instagram, like recipe things, so at least, you know, I'm still making content. It's just, whew, we are in a busy time of life. Once Sydney's done with school though, we will chill down a little bit more. Of course, she's gonna have some summer camps, but we won't have as many, like, I just think we'll be able to maintain a schedule a little bit more. Anyway, that's what we're up to.
Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder.
You too. you know, the type of grocery haul that you know it's gonna hurt while they're cashing you out. You need like everything, all the frozen items that cost $7, $8, $9 each, coconut sugar, all like you just need everything. Yeah, that was that type of grocery haul. I've been doing many smaller trips here and there, and it was just time to do a nice like thorough grocery haul. So I am going to run that home, share with you what I picked up. I am trying some new items that I've never tried before, so a slightly different grocery haul. Of course we have our staples in there as well, and then I will unload it. I'm starving, ready for some lunch, and we'll go out and do that. It's so nice out. Part of me wants to change into shorts. I'm getting ahead of myself here. All right, so I'm gonna try to tackle the cold and frozen items first since it's so warm today. Okay, so starting out with the cold and frozen items that were released in my cold bag, I got some oven roasted chicken breast for lunches. We were totally out of, Sydney loves these haddock sticks, so I grabbed those. A pizza. I actually have not bought a pizza for a couple of weeks, which is rare for me. Some yogurt for Sydney. I went with the tubes. Hopefully they will last us a lot longer since there are 16 of them. So I got the Stonyfield ones. Love that brand. Some True Fruit. This is one of my, like, I'm trying to be a little bit better with my eating, nighttime snacking, and this is so good. The True Fruit raspberries, and I love the milk chocolate personally. I do enjoy the dark chocolate, but milk chocolate is my favorite. Sydney needed some more chicken nuggets, and I usually just buy this kind for her. She's almost out of the other one, and I just want to make sure, like, school's winding down, that I don't want to have to deal with buying those types of things in the future. I was cooking last night and realized I was out of peas, so I grabbed a frozen bag of peas, some Colby Jack cheese for snacking. I had a bunch of coupons on some random items, so you might see some of those in here. This was one of those items that I had a coupon for, and I figured maybe we could do a breakfast bowl or something with some tater tots. I've never think to do things like that, but that would be delicious. I got some oat milk. Sydney's been asking for these, and we just ran out of those ones that we got a long time ago. So they are frozen, like just fruit bites, and she loves those for a summertime treat. Roasted red pepper hummus, chive cottage cheese, sharp cheddar. These for snacking, Sargento snack breaks, love those. I needed some sour cream and cream cheese. I needed everything, feels like. And I also did need some Greek yogurt, and I wanted to grab the ones that had individual containers. It is for cooking, but I didn't want to get a giant container that would just, you know, like I wouldn't really use all of it. So I did that. And then I got some smoothie pouches for Sydney. These are not cold items, but they are on here. Low sodium chicken or vegetable broth, nice to have in the pantry. I just opened up our last one, so I wanted to restock. A thing of water, and then some seltzer for myself. Blueberry lemonade. And more of the pantry type items. I needed, as you can tell, a bunch for my pantry. I have a little can of black olives, some beets, garbanzo beans, green beans, corn, I think this is black beans, peanut butter, a pasta sauce. I needed both types of vinegar, white vinegar and apple cider for dressings and pasta, macaroni salads and things. Some sweet relish. I have sandwich pickles. I've wanted to try, this is probably gonna be so gross. I wanted to try avocado oil mayo, and I know I can make my own mayo. I didn't want to spend all the money on like the oils and things because I already have some, but not quite. Anyway, I did want to go ahead and give this one a try. Hopefully it's not horrible, but it is made with avocado oil, which is a little better, healthier. We needed milk chocolate chips, some regular sugar, regular flour, and I've been wanting to use coconut sugar in a couple of different recipes, so I need to grab that. And of course that's expensive too, so it all adds up. It actually wasn't that bad though, since I had great coupons, so it wasn't quite as bad as I had thought. A cilantro lime ready rice, some protein rotini for my like macaroni salad I'm gonna make, or pasta salad. We have the late July sea salt and lime chips. You guys, I want to make a guacamole, and I love the late July chips. They're just so good, so I got those. Moving on to snacks for Sydney, I have these diced pears and 100% juice, like those cups, some Annie's bunnies. These will just be like backup snacks since we already have some open, and I checked the expiration date, so we are in good shape. Some Girl Macro bars for myself. Love the double chocolate peanut butter chip ones. Those are delicious. We needed some Z bars, so 12 chocolate chip ones. I have some Buddy Fruits. This is basically just strawberry applesauce. And then these Bobo's lemon poppy seed oat bites. Sydney enjoys those as well. For bread items, I went with some oat nut bread this week. I wanted to grab some naan bread to just throw in the freezer, and I love the roasted garlic. I have actually used all of the naan bread that I made homemade, but it was on sale, and so I always grab one or two when they are on sale and pop them in the freezer. I was craving pita bread this week, pita bread and hummus, so I'm gonna go ahead and dip these little guys in the roasted red pepper hummus, and it will be so delicious. This one is the flax, oat bran, and whole wheat from Joseph's, and I just love that once in a while, especially in the summertime. I want something a little bit like, I don't know, either the naan bread or the pita bread dipped in hummus is just a really yummy snack. And then always needing tortillas on hand, so I grabbed a pack of those. Okay, and last but not least is produce. I got 4 Honeycrisp apples. We have some avocado. I want to make, like I said, that guacamole, so I needed some avocado for that, and fresh limes, so I got 4 limes. Some dill for something I'm making, a red onion, some carrot chips, bananas, and then these little mini peppers. I never usually buy these, but I thought they were cute, good for snacking, and I could also use them in recipes too. And then some baby spinach as well, and then a seasoned rotisserie chicken, which is in this bag. So I'm feeling really good. We are nice and stocked, nice and, like, you know, prepared for a little bit of summer time. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything away and make myself some lunch.
Laugh out loud. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a
All right, so just a mini little snack plate. I'm gonna go ahead and eat that on the deck. I have some lime seltzer, the mini pitas with the roasted red pepper hummus, cucumbers, chive cottage cheese, and then the other day at the grocery store I did grab some cherries, so I just wanted just a couple of those afterwards, and that will be a nice, like, nice little lunch outside. The little girl, she's in good spirits, but we're gonna rest. Okay, Pumpkin.
She says you're never playing on my playground and you're never.
Okay, Pumpkin. You take off your shoes and go wash your hands, okay? Okay, well, first of all, yes, I still have my fall wreath up. Secondly, Sydney's home and resting. She's been home for a little bit now. Watching a movie on the couch. I couldn't register a temperature with any of our thermometers at home. I've tried ear, forehead like a million times, and she's not registering a temperature, and she doesn't feel hot to me. So I don't know, but the nurse registered one at school. So who knows? But she's doing okay. She's obviously gonna stay home from school tomorrow. So anyway, I'm gonna go be with her. Thank goodness I have a house full of groceries so I can make some soup and, you know, just be home and don't have to worry about any of that. So, yeah. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.